Welcome to today's presentation, Revolutionize Your Network for the Modern Healthcare Era, brought to you by Juniper Networks. I will be showing you all how Juniper can provide the fastest mean time to resolution and deployment with the fewest tickets ever experienced on the easiest platform to operate, providing the most room for innovation. This is the value of Juniper's AI-driven network. You might be wondering, who exactly is Juniper Networks and why should I care? Well, Juniper is roughly a $5 billion company focused strictly on networking and security solutions. The company's mission is to empower healthcare IT leaders to deliver simplified experiences for those who run networks and the patients, clinicians, and staff who depend on them. Healthcare is a top 3 enterprise vertical at Juniper, where market share continues to grow at double-digit percentage point annually. In fact, 6 of the 10 largest U.S. health systems partner with Juniper in some capacity, whether it be Wi-Fi, switching, routing, firewalls, or SD-WAN. Juniper is one of 2 vendors with a complete stack of networking and security solutions. Partners, customers, and prospects put a lot of stock into the words of industry analysts, and it would be remiss not to share these industry wins. Gartner has consistently moved up and to the right with our product portfolio, and these wins are a testament to our solution outcomes. Juniper's mission is to extend AI capabilities across the entire portfolio, and that's what makes the company completely different from 3 years ago. In 2019, Juniper acquired Mist Systems, a Wi-Fi company that had developed a rich data science toolbox with AI capabilities, which has now been integrated into the switching, routing, and security product lines. Juniper also made a couple of additional acquisitions in Apstra, which specializes in automation and orchestration of the DC, as well as 128 Technology, a smart session SD-WAN solution, which uses a tunnel-free architecture that eliminates inefficiencies and cost constraints of traditional WAN products. Telemetry data is where the magic starts, which is fed into the AI engine and continues to learn and boost its efficacy. It's now on its 5th generation of algorithms, helping proactively identify and resolve network issues across all different types of industries and segments. The virtual assistant then translates insights into actions, which helps get closer to that ultimate state of nirvana, the self-driving network. Juniper has built a threat-aware network, converging networking and security by extending security to every point of connection, essentially treating the entire network as its own enforcement domain. The network can play a strategic role in patient engagement, which most hospitals are building strategies around today. Imagine being able to electronically greet a patient walking in the front door with a push notification to their mobile device, then offer up a turn-by-turn navigation experience to their appointment location. While they pass the coffee shop or gift shop, then offer up a digital coupon for 20% off merchandise. Not only are you cutting down on missed or late appointments, you are building a consumerism platform for your patient population, providing them with individualized experiences. Now let's look at it from a clinician's perspective. At times, patient room utilization can be painful to keep accurate, as well as bed management. What about other resources, like conference rooms or consultation rooms? We now have the ability to help staff navigate and spend less energy chasing down available resources. What about the time and energy associated with locating medical equipment? With virtual Bluetooth LE technology and location-based services, staff can easily track critical assets such as wheelchairs, pumps, ventilators, vacuums within a 1 to 3 meter proximity. RTLS systems may be in place for some of these use cases today, but the hospitals may be able to cut out the overhead of another system or tether the network with the system to help improve workflows and streamline operations. From an IT perspective, the biggest benefit that is seen almost immediately is reduced support tickets. AI can cut down 80 to 90% of Wi-Fi support tickets, which means the network is fully working for you. With dynamic packet captures happening in real time, along with capturing about 150 different machine states, the IT staff is no longer continuously chasing ghosts. Imagine not having to ask a doctor or nurse to recreate an issue, because you have the network event the moment it happens. For location-based services, there is no requirement for physical beacons or BLE site surveys. There's no need to hang beacons, move beacons, and maybe the most annoying element of all, change and replace the batteries. You can locate within 1 to 3 meters and have sub-second latency, which is important in high RF and medical environments with noisy air. And last, but certainly not least, with zero-touch provisioning and one-click activation capabilities, engineers can plan and deploy the network in minutes, opposed to days and weeks. Centara Healthcare is a recent example where CDW and Juniper partnered to provide a next-generation Wi-Fi 6E solution. Centara was struggling with intermittent outages and performance issues and could no longer support an innovative mobility-first environment. Implementing a higher bandwidth spectrum has allowed for faster connections and less interference, along with an upfront CapEx savings of close to 25% and OpEx savings of 20 to 30% right out of the gate. This partnership and ongoing project work has resulted in well over $1 million in service revenue to CDW. With a commitment to standards-based protocols and open APIs, Juniper continues to build its partner ecosystem. Here are a few of Juniper's partners who serve the healthcare industry, whether it be location, real-time location services, voice-over Wi-Fi, patient monitoring, or security. These 5 features will be the core value customers can enjoy when utilizing Juniper products. Juniper stands behind a guarantee that this technology platform will be the fastest deployment you have ever experienced and that the healthcare organization has ever been a part of. This platform will be the most intelligent and most proactive you've ever seen in the industry, especially as it relates to the state of network connections and end-user device experience. If you can build intelligence into the network, where it is now working for you, while delivering new types of services, we'd all agree healthcare would be in a much more proactive position. And lastly, with the confluence of these elements, you'll be in a much better position for increased hardware, software, and service sales. Thank you for your time. For more information on this presentation, or Juniper-related inquiries, please contact us at cdwsales@juniper.net. And don't forget to complete the 4 questions we've provided.